Arts Fairfax started the annual Arts Awards in 2012. So this is our 8th year, and we started the program so that we could shine a light on some of the outstanding talent, the artistic talent in the community, and also to celebrate those that support the arts. The arts are a great community builder, and they're also a major contributor to the economy. There's a 7-to-1 return on investment in the arts. Our mission is to make the arts accessible to everyone in the community.
Next Stop Theater Company is a professional nonprofit theater located in Herndon, Virginia. Next Stop is so honored to be recognized and given this honor by Arts Fairfax as the emerging arts organization. And so one of the things that's really at the core of our mission is bringing more opportunities to artists in this community and bringing more artists from other parts of the greater metropolitan area to Fairfax. And so receiving an award like this to celebrate and recognize that work really means the world to us.
By having events such as the Arts Awards, we help the community to become aware of the artists, the arts organizations, their programs, and just how much the arts contribute to their community.